I ain't make it yet. Never been on big stages, ain't seen the look on their faces yet. Tried reaching out to rappers, ain't embraced me yet. I tried to pray to God, but he ain't saved me yet. Depression due to an obsession turned me into a maniac. You can hear the fear in my voice. As an artist, I wasn't given much choice. I can't sleep sound, anxiety make noise. I'm not happy. Every day that goes by that I'm not rapping, knowing that's all I wanna do. I chose to run from school, all this pressure to show my mama proof. And it's not even the reason why we do this. But I'm 26, broke, sad, and feeling all stupid. Feeling all stupid. Yeah, picked up my phone to check my messages today. It reads your TFG remains unpaid. My phone rings, she say I'm calling on behalf of Rain. Every day, fuck it, you gon' have to take me to jail. Plus the reflection on the mirror just isn't the same. Me and Bobby no longer talk, so I can't get the fade. Now I gotta say I'm going through a phase. See what you did, Bobby, I miss Bobby. Yeah, I brush my teeth and take a morning deuce. Emergency at time for the tube. I'm just scrolling through my glare dope boy 25 slick, the boring crew. Literally typed it in my comments too. My heart told me now you being emotional. Hating cause I'm overzealous. Smoke some weed so you can think positive. How you sober jealous? Wipe your ass with your whining ass. Me and my mother ain't speaking. Good morning and good night. Nothing in between it unless I'm on my chopong. Where them fuck niggas that stare at me, knowing they won't greet me back. Just to see how I react. I'm too bright for you dim niggas who only greet me when I'm walking with my little sister, bitch niggas. How you think I somehow got it good, funny? We wear the same type of raggedy ass shoes. Dummy difference is you ugly, nah, but you lucky. You got friends who love listening to you judge me. I'm daring you do something heavy, hating to match the envy. I know you love me, and I, yeah, like these women who hate that gay do. I try to mimic an American accent, but boys true. Get my number from an ex of mine. Never get a reply unless you verify. Now born a blue tick, know you verified, bitch. I don't wanna be yet another failed rapper with long hair. I love my city, I can't help thinking I don't belong here. I'm sad, nigga, I'm overwhelmed cause every day is the same shit. I haven't got paid from this vain shit. I'm about to go insane. What if rapping is a mistake? Shit. This the type of shit that make me wanna go to school again. Doubt my intuition like a fool again. Apply for a 9 to 5, drive an Uber pool again. Call my twisted friend, hit the street and act a hooligan. Yeah, what up, homie? The type of shit that make me turn into the old me. This the type of shit that make me think about who owe me. This the type of shit, call my ex for that OnlyFans. They don't care that all my hits punch with an open hand. This the type of shit, what if I truly am crazy? If mom was right, I'm moody and lazy. What if she wasn't wrong to ever blame me? What if all these lyrics are just basic and I'm thinking I'm the greatest, but I'll never be their favorite? Maybe if my granny went to sleep when she closed her eyes, maybe her and my mother made peace right before she died. Maybe she'd support me just like she did. Or maybe mom would have 2 instead of 3 kids, whatever though. Me, I signed up for this as a lonely kid. You did your part to ensure that I was so equipped to get through school, college, get a job. Yeah, you don't owe me shit, I get it. I get it as I zone out, listening to rappers who sound like they had it worse than me. But that leads to an increase in my sense of urgency. Phone out, every line fervently. Cold shower, swole out, calisthenics. Just in case they book me for a show now, you never know. Never say never though. Praying for a day I say the young boy never broke, you never know. Never say never though. Praying for a day I say the young boy never broke. These are my everyday struggles, but I still wake up every day hustle. That's my attempt at a real reaction. As these thoughts fill up my dome, I need a deal from Casper. I need a deal from Casper. Roses.